Good morning, this is Daniel Desjardins Cheif, student meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today's date is Monday, June 24th, 2019. Sunrise 5:07 a.m. and sunset 10:07 p.m. And today's weather, it will be a light rain with a high temperature of 14 degrees. It feels like 12. And the wind is actually coming from the northwest at 23 kilometers per hour. Then gusting to 35 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 86%, and pressure is rising to 100.7 kilopascals. And tonight it will be cloudy with showers overnight with a low temperature of 11 degrees. Let's take a look at the 4-day weather forecast. On Tuesday, light rain, high 17, low 9. On Wednesday, risk of thunderstorms, high 20, low 12. And then on Thursday, chance of showers, high 20 and a low 14. And then on Friday, risk of strong thunderstorms, high 21, low 12. Up next is the almanac. Yesterday's high is 21 degrees Celsius. Yesterday's low 18 degrees Celsius. The warmest temperature was in 1936 at 30 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature was in 1905 at minus 1.7 degrees Celsius. You can follow me at www.desjardinsweatherman.com. You can go to the Weather Network on your favorite app store. And I say thank you, everyone.